So I'm going to show you today my own setup. So how I use this AI thing properly for doing my day-to-day task and my business task and all whatever. And it's really amazing, because it's been more than I would say 6, 7 months, 8 months into this AI, and I have been adopting with multiple different type of tools and ways that how are we heading towards the development of the AI and the best ways to use it. So now the first thing which I would just like to suggest you every single one that using tools like these WhisperFlow. Okay, and you can see it's been just 2 weeks yet. Okay, it's only 9 days basically, and it's already that 17,000 words I have been used it. Okay, and on the other side, this is not it. Okay, I am actually creating new accounts, and so from the one previous account, can you imagine how much I would have prompted through that? It's 134K in 30 days, and it's not so much in terms of the number of words we speak, because it's going to be always a words per minute increased whenever we are going to speak compared to whatever we are writing, okay, or typing. Okay, so that's the power, because now we don't have to type it out, we have to just prompt it, we need to just speak it, and AI is gonna understand that. So this is the first thing which I always use. So I'll definitely going to suggest you that how you should definitely be going to start using it. Okay, the second thing, which is the Claude Code. Okay, so Claude Code is so amazing right now that you have to definitely check it out if you are not using it. Okay, I am using this max plan of Claude Code. Okay, and it's amazing. We can use the updated, I mean, limits and all whatever here, and it's really amazing. The third is that use VS Code and use some frameworks like BMAD or DAW. If you are not familiar with these kind of frameworks, you can just search it out online, or you can just wait for my new videos. I'm gonna create videos on these topics, and we are gonna make it. Okay, so you can see these kind of thumbnails it is being able to create on its own. I am not even going to, I mean, going on my browser and I mean, going to Gemini or whatever or ChatGPT to create it out and all. It's doing it all on my behalf using, you can see the env credentials I've put it into. Okay, and I am using BMAD, so that is why there is this personality to which I am talking to. Okay, and it's so amazing. Okay, and I'm gonna create videos where I'm gonna break it down that what are the different ways you can use these kind of frameworks, and these are so amazing. So what it enables you is that whenever you don't have any kind of in-depth understanding of any specific type, like if you don't know how to create a best thumbnail, you can just give it this prompt, and it will go forward and do it on your behalf. And not only that, I am actually creating or using it for my different type of projects. Okay, so I would like to show you, like this is one of the project, like you can see this is one of the project I am using it for my cold emailing setup and all. Okay, so yeah, these are the ways through which I am actually using it out. Like if I want to show you one more thing, let's go to demo. So this is one of the test thing which I was just creating, working on. So this is what we are trying to do here is that we are using DOE framework, and we are trying to make it a anytime generator. Okay, so here you know that anytime files all are just JSON files, and JSON files are nothing but just code, basically JSON format. Okay, and AI is much more capable to write JSON perfectly related to us. Okay, and we can just give it up, and using the DOE framework, the fundamental is that it is self-healing. If it does any kind of issue, we can just pick it up, and it will going to just search it out from the internet and do its best to pick the fastest way and the best way possible. We can say it to do the things faster, so that it comes up with some kind of optimized ways to do some of the things. Okay, so in this video I was just talking about some of the best ways to use AI right now, and these are some of the ways I am basically using. So let me just create a new file and just show you that how you can basically you don't have to do anything. If you are non-technical, if you are watching this video, you maybe let's say you have taken this Claude Code subscription, and there are ways through which you can just use the free versions as well. You don't have to buy the subscription as well. So you just have to go to my this YouTube, and you can just subscribe and all, so that you never miss any kind of update and all. This is just a quick update. So yeah, and also there is this community we are creating, and it is just a launch day, so that is why yeah, it's an offer for you to join, because after the first some initial people, it is going to be increased and all. So yeah, let's back to the video. So yeah, I was talking about like just install VS Code. Okay, after you are going to install the VS Code, it is going to pop up. You can just see it like this. Okay, and now go to extensions and just install Claude Code. It is going to show you this like this. Or instead, what you can do is on the browser, you can just search it up, this anti-gravity. Okay, and just download it and use it for yourself. Okay, the same way it is going to work, and here you don't have to stuck or get stuck to the Claude Code only. You can use models like Gemini and all, and ChatGPT, different type of models and all. So yeah, and not only that, I am actually creating a lot of the things. I am actually working on my projects as well, whether it's voice agents, whether it's chatbot and all. You just have to give APIs credentials to it, and there is this option to bypass the permissions. Okay, although there are some catch you need to keep in mind. You cannot just do a bypass to everything. It can do anything, but yeah, on the other side, if you will just keep in mind that what are the, I mean, if you understand that how it works and all. I know that I am running so much faster. You might not grasp it and all. Whatever the issues or whatever the doubts you are getting, you can just ping me in the comment section, so that I get to know that what are the specific things you are looking forward, and I can just keep up with that specific type of video and showcase you the specific fundamentals of it. Okay, so now let me just talk to it. Okay, so this is just for a test video. I just want you to give me the update of that what we are actually trying to do in this folder overall. Analyze it properly and just give me the update, so that we can just pick it up, and what's it actually, just tell me. Okay, so see, this is the simple way to just talk it up and get the whatever update from it, and just talk it like a friend. Okay, and it is gonna do everything on your behalf. So here's the full picture. This is a 3-layer AI automation framework, scaffolding boilerplate for building reliable automations, where AI automation, you and me, sit in the middle as a decision maker, but pushes all actual work into deterministic tools. Okay, so there is this directive, orchestrator, and execution. So this is a framework which is so much amazing, which we are using, which is the directive, which is the SOP in markdown file, which tells AI what to do step by step, and the instruction you give to an employee currently has 2 directives. Okay, so these 2 directives we have created from a previous chat and all. The orchestration is the AI itself, that this one is the orchestrator, which is actually reading the directive and creating the execution file. Okay, it is responsible for deciding what to call and in what order, and handles error, and feeding the learning back into the directive, so that it self-heal it. Okay, so these are the basic fundamentals or basic architecture we are using, which is so I mean, not very complex, which is so direct. But on the other side, yeah, it's an initial setup stage, 1 commit, clean work tree, and scaffolding a place, but no actual task and automation has been built yet. Okay, so yeah, we can just pick it up and create something. Okay, just tell me the power of it, because I wanted you to automate the n8n automations from your side. So can you be able to create different type of automation on n8n? Like, let's say we want one n8n automation which can be able to I mean, I want JSON files from you, and not only that, can you be able to push it up as well? If I can give you the API of n8n files, would you be able to push it up on the n8n? And what are the catch we need to keep in mind? Just tell me out, and yeah. So the idea is that we want to work upon n8n files, like email personalization, like LinkedIn post generation, like thumbnail generation. Can you be able to create n8n JSON files for these kind of automations? Okay, so I'll just speak it up clearly what it is, okay, and it said, I mean, it is going to do all that work. The whole point of this setup is exactly that. You describe what you want, I build the workflow, JSON, and push it live to the Anytime instance via API, no manual digging and dropping. Okay, what I can do, build a JSON, push it to Anytime, okay, and these are the things. Okay, the complex nodes needs to be testing and all, but you need to give me. Nice. And if any issue arises, can you be able to fix it up and again push it back and check as well that what is working, what is not, and the different type of instances, whatever and all in the process, so that it automates all that. See, it is self-healing loop. Okay, so yeah, that's what the power I actually wanted to show you. If you wanted to see a complete breakdown or an example that how it is made and how we can actually, I will going to show you the real use case, creating Anytime files and doing all that autonomously through this dashboard only. So this is seeming a bit complex. I am not at all writing any code, so it's just a complex UI, nothing else. Okay, and on the other side it's best because the data is on your computer, you are just using API and all, you are doing it in front of you, you can do it parallelly as well. That's the power of it. Okay, and in this video, the motto of this video is only clear. I just wanted to show you this thing only. And so yeah, if you got intrigued or if you got interested into knowing the process, that how it is done and all, just let me know in the comment section, and I am going to create a bunch of follow-up videos where I can just show you that what is the power of it. Okay, so yeah, I am just don't wanted to make this video super long, and let's end this video, and let's come up with a amazing new video where I will be going to show you that how I am doing not just these basic things, I am actually organizing my life as well. You can see my journaling, my life, and all those things I am planning, whatever my business and all. So everything is just getting updated here only. Okay, so that is the thing, that is the power of it. BMAD, there is this another framework, and I am going to create videos in depth on these frameworks specifically, like DOE and BMAD. What is DOE, what is BMAD, and what are their powers, and how you can use it in your day-to-day life. So yeah, that's the thing. Thank you so much, and stay tuned. If you want to join our community, the link is in the description. If you want to follow us and subscribe to our channel, you are not going to miss any update from us. And that's the thing. And we are not teaching you tools which are going to be outdated so soon. On the other side, we are teaching you the fundamentals which are going to be there with you, because these tools are going to get better if you speak up, if you learn this skill of right away thinking with AI and optimizing it alongside. This is much more valuable than whatever you do. Okay, so yeah, that is the thing, and let's end this video, and let me catch up in a new video and show you that what is the different type of possibilities with these kind of tools and whatever. Thank you so much for being till the end, till this, and let's meet in our next video.